Sembut Menteri Rangba Kejelau ba Preston Nongshong hagas ngining kong ulaong. Bakat tanat jong kansa hukum da kajing tokit halor kajing jia ka belajar ka sngi ubleh ka Shnong Umsyiem hajan dauki hapo East KHASI Hills. Hakabala betei ka Jingïakynad hapadeng ki Nongshong Shnong jong ka Shnong Umsyiem bat ki Shipai BSF kabalaya lam sya ka jing syok yadat bala bot pat ru sa ka jing kawang mau nalor ka jing siat kuli sausen chasun. Saungut ki beriu ke bakentup ya arngut ki Shipai BSF bat arngut ki riu patba kila mensau ha kani ka huri hura bat layalam ru yaki syaka PHC hadau ki. Ha ka bala penlat no ru yaki hinin ka miet hi la ong uba tinsong uba pat ikatanat ki kampok yeng ha kani ka jela. Ha ka ju hi ka por Menteri Rangba ka jela u konret ke sang mau la ong. Baki jing mong jing mensau kini ki beriu kim dai satyana ka jing sam kuli hinrei ki jing mensau ki batang malu mala. Habat jubab ki jing kali halor ki jing ja ki bedai bat ki jing kan ada pedang ki Nongshong Shnong bat ki Shipai BSF u Director General jong katanat pulit kini ke jela u Dr. LR Bishnoi ula jubab bahabun ki kep la judon ka jing su tho bakla pedang ki pat ba ka por ki Shipai BSF ki kurup ki nu ki mar ki mata lani ki kem yano ha ka bala jumi ru ki khubor hamsaya ba ki brio belului ke la sha kem.
What you want? Tell me. Which one you want? I'll do it whatever you want. The situation is cool, calm. There's so much tension. I've already instructed SP, and now we are also waiting for the FIR.
There was 4 rounds were fired in the air. I repeat, 4 rounds were fired in the air, not at the individuals, but in the stone pelting, there was some commotion that took place. There were slight injuries to certain individuals, but it's not because of the bullet or not because of any action from the side, but we are still inquiring into the matter.
Sometimes misperception is created and the people are under impression that innocent persons are arrested. So that is why sometimes they start pelting stones or garrowing the BSF party, etc.
Menteri Rangba